Guys, what is up? It's your girl Samara. In this video, guys, I'm gonna give you guys some more tips that you guys need to become successful traders, guys. If you are a trader, you should already know that you need these apps, but if you are not and you're somebody who needs to get into the Forex market, you need to keep watching this video, okay? Secondly, if you haven't already, you know what to do. You have to either like, comment, or subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, F-R-E-E. Don't mind my nails, guys. I'm getting it done tomorrow, so let's not do that, all right? But if you are part of the family, you already know what to do. You have to keep on watching. Let's go.
What's up?
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
Number one app that you need to have as a trader is MT4, also known as MetaTrader 4, guys. MetaTrader 4, again, if you don't know of MetaTrader 4, basically MetaTrader 4 is the platform that you will be using to get into the market, to make your trades, and to profit. Okay, this is where you are able to see like your profits. This is where you see the blues and the reds. Reds means that you're losing right now. It doesn't necessarily mean that you just lost, but you're probably losing right now at that price line. And blue means that you're basically winning at that price line, okay? If you don't have MetaTrader 4 on your trading portfolio, I do definitely believe that you should have it, because if not, then you're probably interested into HFX, where you'll be using other platforms to go into the market and make your money in minutes, all right? So as a Forex trader, I suggest you to have MT4, all right? Basically, I'll place the logo here so you know what to look for when you are going into your app store to go ahead and download this app, all right? The second one, guys, is going to be TradingView. TradingView, I use this all the time. I use this all the time. If not, then I'm probably using my MT4, okay? TradingView is the best.com. This is where if you have a different strategy that requires TradingView, you can go on TradingView. And what I like about TradingView is that you can turn your phone this way to have like a bigger and a wider screen, so you can be able to analyze the chart a little bit better. So if you don't have TradingView app as part of your trading portfolio, I suggest you to go ahead and get it. I will place the logo picture here so you can go ahead and go download it right now. All right. So yeah, so with TradingView, guys, I always use TradingView when I'm teaching you guys different strategies, or just simply analyzing the charts better for you all, because sometimes the phone can be a little bit smaller. But if you are on the go, if you're on the way to work and things like that, and you need to analyze the charts a little bit clearer, TradingView will give that definition for you, and you can do it on your phone, okay? Especially if you don't have a desktop nor a laptop. So hey, all right. The third one, guys, the third one. If you are a beginner trader, or if you're just somebody who is not profiting from the market at all, guys, it's okay. Maybe you don't know how much you're supposed to make per day to start making $1,000 per day, or to start making, you know, 100,000 in a year. Hey, I got you, okay? Go ahead and go download Compound Gain. Guys, this app right here, and I'm gonna have everything right here so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so Compound Gain, guys, is a must-have trader app. If you don't have it, go ahead and go download it, because baby, you're missing out, okay? So Compound Gain is pretty much where you can compound your small account into a large account within a certain amount of days or a certain amount of months, whatever you're looking forward to, okay? So with that being said, as you guys can see, they give us our principal amount. Let's say I'm just trying to put $100 in, okay? This is a small account, okay? $100 in. Profit rate, I always tell my traders, especially daily, and especially if you are a new trader or somebody who just trades but not really seeing much profit, I always suggest you to do at least 1 through 1.5%, simply because that's more easier to manage and to basically get in the market, especially if you're brand new to the market. Now, if you're somebody who's a little bit more advanced like myself or anybody else who trades on a regular basis and who knows about the market and things like that, I would always do maybe 2 to 5%. It just depends. All right, so let's say you are a new beginner trader and we got you at 1.5 length of term. Okay, you want to give yourself some room. Okay, don't try to do maybe a month, like 60, like don't try to do 30 days. Okay, that's not really going to see much growth. Let's make this account more so of like your long-term retirement account. Okay, this is like savings account. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boys for 760 days, which is approximately equivalent to 2 years. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead to 760. Are we going to include the weekends? As we should already know, on the weekends you can trade, but it's specifically for cryptocurrencies. Okay, cryptocurrencies are a little bit more volatile, so I don't really suggest trading cryptocurrencies unless you're in your demo account. But if you are somebody who is very good in the market, very understands how to trade cryptocurrencies, then go with your bad self. Go ahead and press yes. But for this instance, we're gonna go ahead and say no. So we're gonna press no, and this bad boy will say all right. Oh, and it also gives you the optional date. So let's say you wanna start today. Today is the 12th of August, 2021. Okay, I wanna go ahead and start it tomorrow, which is today because I'm uploading it today. Friday the 13th. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's Friday the 13th. Okay, well, Friday the 13th, y'all, we started, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and calculate it. So basically on your first day, Friday the 13th, all you have to do is make $1.50. And it literally tells you each day how much you have to profit, okay? And then it tells you on the balance of like what you should have starting from your initial deposit. Guys, this is such an easy method that I absolutely love to do, especially if you are somebody who loves to have a really large savings account or just somebody who is trying to reach a certain goal, okay, without taking any profits out. Okay, so this is something that you want to have without taking any profits. Now, if you have to take out some profits, it's all right, but don't try to take out more than 50%. Okay, just try to take out maybe less than 25. All right, so at the very bottom, guys, so at basically the day of 542, okay, so in order to get like 760, you'll have to basically get the Excel and like you download it if you have the Excel app on your phone. But it'll go as far as to 542. On day 542, you should be at a balance of 6 figures, $319,000, guys. And then look, and guess how much you have to make? $4,000. That's not nothing, guys, like nothing at all, because once your account is that much high into, like, if your account is that high like that, making $4,000 is nothing. That's like making $1 for your $100. So don't look at it and be like, oh my gosh, like $4,000, that's a lot. No, it's not. All right, guys, so if you don't have compound gain, guys, go ahead and go get it and stop playing. Like, let's get into the market. Let's make money. All right, guys, so you want to go ahead and get the currency app. It's going to be a green logo. Once you go into that, it basically provides you with a calendar, and it comes with many different colored folders to go over the days, the certain days that you're trading. So you want to be aware of your red and your silver folders. Simply, your silver folders are going to be mostly your holiday folders, stating that you cannot possibly trade that time frame or things in that nature. Now, our red folders are identifying that the market is going to be volatile. Now, you can still trade your yellow and your orange folders, but you want to specifically stay away from your red folders. So in this indication on Wednesday, August 11th, at 8:30 a.m., you do not want to trade our major pairs, okay? And then as well as 8:30 a.m. as well on Thursday. Now, for today of August 13th, guys, you can continue to trade since we do have yellow and orange folders. Now, going into the currency strength, this is very important, okay? Sorry about the ad, guys. This is very important because it basically gives you the different strengths. Now, you have your strongest to your weakest. Your weakest are going to be your orange and your yellow. Your strongest is going to be your greens, okay? And basically, with that being said, you do not want to trade two replicas of a pair. You want to make sure that your pairs are different. You want to have a strong pair such as JPY and then a weak pair such as GBP, simply because the market is going to be balanced, and that's how we want to get into the market, where it's a balanced market. You know, you are understanding that you have consolidation. You understand that there's an uptrend and a downtrend. Now, when you have two of the same strengths pairs going on, then our market is going to be moving sideways, which is something that we definitely do not want to get into. So this is something that you should implement into your trading portfolio, just so you can have a better and a clearer idea of when to get into the market and when is a right time to trade a certain pair. The last app, if you haven't already, guys, is my course, my beginner's course, guys. Go ahead and go grab that bad boy while it is on a sale for $70. And matter of fact, I just changed the length, guys. So instead of having it for just 2 months, we're gonna go ahead and give it to you guys for 1 year. Okay, I simply wanted to give you guys 1 year because I knew that it took me 1 year to start actually consistently making money. Now, as I told you guys before, I am in the process of creating an advanced level course, which is simply going to give you and provide you all of the different strategies, simple strategies that can help you make more money in the market, and that has made me lots of money in the market, for me being able to do the things that I want to do, as well as pay for school, pay for bills, and things of that nature. Y'all are going to really love this advanced course. Now, I don't know when the deadline or when the date is going to be announced when I do publish this advanced course, but be on the lookout for that, all right? But so far, guys, I've been getting so many great reviews from this very first course that I've just created for you all, especially if you are beginner traders, and I really do appreciate all of the kind words, all of the kind gestures, and just basically all of the love and the support that you guys continue to do for me, your girl. Y'all just keep showing out. Lord have mercy. Y'all are the bomb.com. If it wasn't for y'all, if it wasn't for you guys pushing me to give you guys as much knowledge as you guys need to be better and to profit from the market, I don't know where we will be at. You know what I'm saying? But guys, that concludes this video. I hope this video was very informative. If you haven't already, you know what to do. You have to either like, comment, or subscribe to this girl's channel. Because it is what? It is free, F-R-E-E, okay? And secondly, guys, we are on the way to 20K, you heard me? And y'all already know what happens when we hit our milestone. Baby gives out giveaways. So the closer and sooner that we get to 20K, there is a giveaway, best believe it. But guys, thank you guys so much. Peace.